The Bermuda Triangle is a mythical section of the Atlantic Ocean roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, where dozens of ships and airplanes have disappeared. Unexplained circumstances surround some of these accidents, including one in which the pilots of a squadron of U.S. Navy bombers became disoriented while flying over the area. The planes were never found. Other boats and planes have seemingly vanished from the area in good weather without radioing distress messages. However, although many fanciful theories have been proposed regarding the Bermuda Triangle, none of them prove that mysterious disappearances occur more frequently there than in other well-traveled sections of the ocean. In fact, people navigate the area every day without incident. The area known as the Bermuda Triangle, or Devil's Triangle, spans approximately 500,000 square miles of ocean off the southeastern tip of Florida. Its historical significance is intriguing, as even Christopher Columbus, on his first voyage to the New World, reported unusual phenomena. He witnessed a great flame of fire, likely a meteor, crashing into the sea one night, and a strange light appearing in the distance a few weeks later. He also noted erratic compass readings, possibly due to the alignment of true north and magnetic north in this unique area. William Shakespeare's play The Tempest, which some scholars claim was based on a real-life Bermuda shipwreck, may have enhanced the area's aura of mystery. Nonetheless, reports of unexplained disappearances did not capture the public's attention until the 20th century. An especially infamous tragedy occurred in March 1918 when the USS Cyclops, a 542-foot-long Navy cargo ship with over 300 men and 10,000 tons of manganese ore on board, sank somewhere between Barbados and the Chesapeake Bay. The Cyclops never sent out an SOS distress call despite being equipped to do so, and an extensive search found no wreckage. "Only God and the sea know what happened to the great ship," U.S. President Woodrow Wilson later said. In 1941, two of the Cyclops' sister ships similarly vanished without a trace along nearly the same route. A pattern allegedly began forming in which vessels traversing the Bermuda Triangle would disappear or be found abandoned. Then, in December 1945, 5 Navy bombers carrying 14 men took off from a Fort Lauderdale, Florida airfield to conduct practice bombing runs over some nearby shoals. But with his compasses apparently malfunctioning, the mission leader, Flight 19, got severely lost. All 5 planes flew aimlessly until they ran low on fuel and were forced to ditch at sea. That same day, a rescue plane and its 13-man crew also disappeared. After a massive, weeks-long search failed to turn up any evidence, the official Navy report declared that it was as if they had flown to Mars. Vincent Gaddis first used the term Bermuda Triangle in a 1964 magazine article. After that, more mysterious accidents happened in the area, including 3 passenger planes that went down even though they had just sent All Are We All Sage. In 1974, Charles Berlitz, whose grandfather founded the Berlitz Language Schools, added to the legend with a sensational bestseller. Since then, many paranormal writers have blamed the triangle's supposed deadliness on elite triangle styes, sea monsters, time warps, and reverse gravity fields. Others have suggested more scientific reasons, like magnetic anomalies, water spouts, or massive methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor. However, it's unlikely that one single theory explains everything. As one skeptic said, trying to find a common cause for every Bermuda Triangle disappearance is no more logical than finding a common cause for every automobile accident in Arizona. It's important to note that while the Bermuda Triangle may pose navigational challenges due to storms, reefs, and the Gulf Stream, it is not recognized as an especially hazardous place by maritime insurance leader Lloyd's of London. The U.S. Coast Guard, in a comprehensive review of Lloyd's aircraft and vessel losses in the area over the years, has found no evidence to suggest that casualties were the result of anything other than physical causes. No extraordinary factors have ever been identified, further debunking the myths surrounding the Bermuda Triangle.